Hello students, welcome back again. I hope all of you are doing good and studying hard. Many of you are submitting your work in time. Very good, well done, keep it up, keep the good work. We have almost completed all the chapters. So today we will be doing this model test paper, okay? In this model test paper, I will explain how to do the sums, okay? And you have to do it by yourself because in this model days we will get the questions what we have done in our chapter 1 to 4. Okay, whatever we have done from chapter 1 to 4, all the question is here, so it's just like a revision. So I will explain you how to do these sums, and you have to you have to write the answer by yourself. Okay, so all of you turn page 125 and look the first question. Match the following. How you will do this one? Match the following. Number A is given 500 plus 6 ones. तो इसको कैसा कहाँ में जाके मैच करना है? Which one is the correct answer? You have to go there and you have to match that one. 500 plus 6 ones. So ये कितना हो जाएगा? 506 होगा ना? So you have to bring this and match here in the correct answer. Okay, this way you have to do it. Okay, so I want you all to do this one. I will show you one, yeah, whichever is easy. I will not do it that one for you. I will just explain and you have to write it down. Okay, so in question 2, what comes just before? Just before means less than 1 ना. इसका पीछे 467 का first number कौन सा लाता है? Less than 67 is 66, right? So 466 ऐसा लिखना है. हाँ, we all know what is just before and just after in between. Yes, we have done that in our class 1, right? So ये question 3 देखा जाए तो what comes just after? आगे more than 1 ना. 624, next number will be 625 ऐसा लिखना है ना. The rest you have to do by yourself. Okay, in between बीच का number लिखना है, इसको भी आप लोग करना है. And here in question 5 it is asking arrange in ascending order. What is ascending order? What is ascending? Ascending means smaller to bigger, yeah, big to small, small to big, right? Ascending means smaller number to bigger number. यहाँ में 1 2 3 4 5 number is given. सबसे छोटा वाला number लिखेगा. Next like that. ना small to big. Okay, ascending means small to big. Okay, now let's turn page and see. Next question we have arrange in descending order. What is descending order? Descending means big to small, bigger number to smaller, big to small, decreasing order. Okay, descending means बड़ा नंबर से लेके छोटा ऐसा जाएगा. हाँ, ये भी करेगा आप लोग. The following प्लस तो हम लोग किया है, ये भी आप लोग करना है. Subtract also you all know, right? कैसा subtract करना है? Suppose first digit is smaller, then you have to borrow. Don't forget the borrowing one. Okay, regrouping. हाँ, borrow करके subtract करने वाला. और प्लस में if you are getting more than 10, then ones place लिखेगा, tens place वाला carry forward, yes or no, in hand ऐसा करने वाला को. हाँ, while doing plus and minus you have to be very careful. Okay, make sure that all your answers are correct. Okay, now let's look at this question number 9. Yeah, let's look at this. Let's read the question together. Suresh went to a shop and counted 69 red shirts and 74 green shirts and 98 blue shirts. How many shirts did he count in all? अच्छा, यहाँ में सूरज went to shop. And red shirt कितना लिया है, काउंट किया है 69, and green shirt कितना किया है 74, blue shirt कितना किया है 98, right? So how many shirts did he count in all? यहाँ में क्या करेगा, सब मिला के red और green blue ये सब मिला के कितना काउंट किया है शर्ट को, ऐसा पूछ रहा है. तो what we will do here, we will do plus and we will find out the total shirt he counted. Okay, so this one let's do it together. या हमें क्या लिखना है, सॉल्यूशन लिखेगा. ओके, सॉल्यूशन लिख के फर्स्ट क्या कलर का शर्ट है, यू विल राइट हियर रेड शर्ट. रेड शर्ट कितना काउंट किया था 69, राइट? एंड नेक्स्ट वी हैव हियर ग्रीन, सो यू विल राइट हियर ग्रीन शर्ट ग्रीन शर्ट कितना काउंट किया है 74 सी सेम लाइन में लिख रहा है इधर उधर नहीं लिखना है वन सेंटेंस अभी ब्लू शर्ट कितना हाउ मेनी ब्लू शर्ट ही काउंट ब्लू शर्ट 98 अभी क्या करना है टोटल शर्ट यहाँ में लिखेगा सब मिला गया ना सो आई विल राइट हियर टोटल शर्ट सो ये क्या करना है आप लोग प्लस करना है ओके तब this plus you have to do by yourself and you have to find out the total shirt okay ये three numbers you have to plus okay and find out the total shirt he counted okay just write total shirt and write the answer here that will be your work for today's work okay so as we all know how to do this model test paper whichever I have not written I want you all to complete till question number 9 this is our classwork and whichever I have not done I have explained you properly how to do right so you complete this one and submit your work in time okay submit your work in time that's it for today we will continue term 2 book in our next class okay so all of you study hard